Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to please check out those beautiful, coolest natural haircuts for beautiful black women. You know, when one first transitions to natural hairstyles, it's sometimes common to feel totally lost. And sometimes on top of figuring out what kind of product to use, maybe that may work on the kind of the texture of your hair, whether you have the thick or you have the curly hair, sometimes you might have no idea like how to style your hair. So I just want you guys to please watch this video we have, and it will finally make you guys know the versatility of your natural hair, because I want you guys to know that short natural hair is magic and is something that can be quick and easy, and is a super creative style that will always look good on every black woman. So one thing with the styles is that we have endless styles for you to wear while you're embracing your natural haircuts. And don't forget to accessorize. So for the lovers of colors, you can use some colors, you know, that will give you that unique style you want. And don't forget to, if you love the shave line or the surgical lines or the shaves, you know, all this can accentuate the beauty of your natural hair. And I want you guys to know that maintenance can come down to using the right product for your hair curl type. You know, I always talk about the MIELLE kits that cost for $7 to $20. I also have the coil sauce, the Dukes, the Kings and coils, and other good products that won't even make you to break your bank. It costs also within the range of $2 to $20. So this is something you can use for your hair to look good. And one thing with this beautiful product is that they will maintain the efficacy of your hair and give you that beautiful, inspiring look that will always turn eyes in every occasion. Always keep your satin bonnet or scarf maybe at ready to always protect your new style at night, and you know, peruse some inspiring natural hair for those beautiful women I have for you guys. So let me know your mind on how you feel about the styles. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles, and still look for more beautiful short hairstyles coming your way. Ciao, ciao.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, oh. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh, no, no. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to you. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh yeah, 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 yo. Oh my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay, ay, ay.